The NSE closing at about 26,153,000 points. What are the market's worries?
Well, as you can see, the market closed on a bearish note again today. Friday closed at 3 basis points higher than the previous day. So right now we're seeing this market trading on a sustained bearish note. The key indices, we had 14 gainers, 56 losers. Out of the 14 gainers, we had 5 banks. Top gainers, we had UBA, Union Bank of Nigeria. We had a few other banks, Wema Bank. We had First Inland Bank among the top gainers, and Sterling Bank among the top gainers. Overall, the market is still trading cautiously. There's a lot of negative sentiments currently in the market. There is no catalyst driving this market at present, so we're going to see this sustained low investment profile in the market for some time to come.
All right, now Damilola, there's a lot of talk about the asset management company being introduced, set up, established to buy up the toxic assets of some of the troubled banks. Right now, the finance minister is concerned about valuations for these toxic assets, but nonetheless, it's unequivocal that this is the way forward. Just in terms of how the asset management company will inject liquidity into the market, and whether or not talk of establishing this asset management company will reintroduce or re-establish some kind of confidence in the financial industry. Is there an indication to that effect, and what are the market's expectations of it?
Oh, well, yeah. Going from Friday, it was announced that the harmonized bill by the House of Reps and the House of Senate was ready. There was a jump in the market going up by 3 basis points. So the market is actually anxiously waiting for the release of the AMCON bill and the final sign-off by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is an important step in the CBN restructuring of the financial sector. Following up from this, we also need to keep in mind that these banks are still being CBN managed, and they need to actually be given to the new owners, or the process of buyout of these banks should also be finalized, so new capital can be injected into these banks, and that completed. So it's still in the process. There's a lot of things that need to be put in place before final confidence can be restored in the market, particularly for the banking sector. But overall, the steps taken have been quite good. From the CBN governor, we know that by the third quarter, we're expecting a lot of credit inflows, credit expansion into the economy. The AMCON should be fully set up by then. So going forward, it's looking quite good for the financial industry.